Hey guys, somebody had requested if I can make a key for a knob lock, and maybe he wants it to be a guide. During this time, there are a lot of time for each and every one of us because mostly we are at home. So maybe a viewer of mine wants to have a guide on making a key for a knob lock for his pastime or whatever that will help him. So I will be making this video cutting a key by hand. That is our subject for today. So okay, we'll try to remove it. Hi guys, and this is one fumble I made in my recent tutorial about making a key by hand filing on the Yale lock set. Now, on a Yale knob lock set, removing the knob with the cylinder in, you don't need to remove the whole lock. As long as the door is open, you can easily remove it by the knob here itself. And I apologize for that mistake. Okay, so make sure that this is not depressed. That means it's open. Now turn the knob and locate the retaining pin there. There I saw. Then push it in. Sometimes it's hard. Push it in. Okay, and pull out the knob. Oh, sorry. So the knob is removed. You don't need to remove the lock as in my tutorial. So that is easier. And let's proceed. So okay guys, after you had removed the knob with the cylinder, and taking this cover out is as easy as 1, 2, 3. All you have to do is hold your finger and hold with your finger. Make it steady on the cylinder and then push it down. Okay, then you can take it out and the cylinder is ready for fitting a key. Right, now it's time to make a key. So making a key, first we had to take this clip out. Alright, don't do what I'm doing because I'm already familiar with this. I could, if you're just a beginner, you might injure your finger because I was doing this one 1,000 times already and I never got injured because I controlled. Okay, now that is ready for keying. Yeah, there are two ways in the keying. First, you have to remove this spring cover, or if you have the shim, you can shim it and with a follower. Okay, so first I will show you if you have a shim, right? Okay, if you have a shim, fine, your work will be more faster. Insert the shim and then push the shim gently while trying to wiggle the key. Okay, that's one. That's two. Okay, that's 5. Now it turns. Alright, that is if you have the shim, so it is quite okay. You don't need to damage the top pin, so you have to slide it back and that's it. So you can rekey it, right, by putting the Alright, now if you don't have the seam, so let's put it back. If you don't have the shim, then you have to take this cover out. Right, so move that cover a little bit, then pry it. See that? Be careful for the spring to come out. Okay. Okay, repair this later on. Now take out the top pin, the spring, and the bottom pin. Okay, now to make it easy for you to determine the to make an accurate fitting of the key, is take out the core, and then with a pentel pen mark the blank key at the top, make it colored it. Alright, after you colored it, insert it in, hold it, and with a nail, sharp nail, try to mark the top of the key, the spacing. Alright, okay, now that is visible now. Now once you have that, try to make it more visible. Pencil file, great, to make it more visible. Just run it just one. Make it easy for you to be more visible. Alright, now that is the spacing. Now let's say it's time now to separate the bottom pin from the top pin. As you file, try not to damage the mark, the next mark you had made. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now try to check if it is protruding a bit or whatever, so do finishing touches. Okay, that's fine. Now remove the sharp edge on the top, but not on the deep, on the bottom, only the top, so that it will be sliding on the key. It will not affect the cut, but it will help the key to slide smoothly. Okay, now put this key in. Remember where it starts. Alright, now put the top pins. Put the clip on. Put the clip from the top. Alright, now hold the spring down, try with the key. Okay, it's working now. There, the top pin cover. Okay, now first slide the top pin on the first side. Alright, next try to depress this. Okay, now it's resting in place. If you have a screwdriver which has a concave tip, you can further lock it. Okay, so that is secure now, and check with your key again. Okay, that's working. Now it's time for reassembly. And after you had finished fitting the key, put this in. Put that cover. Slide the key there, insert the knob, put it in, and that's it. You had finished your job the easy way. Okay folks, so thanks for watching and good day.